Question 3. 1 over the square root of g to the power of 5 is equal to, well, when you've got square root of g to the power of 5, that would be the same as saying g to the power of 5 over 2, which would be the same, since it's in the denominator, as g to the power of negative 5 over 2, which is equal to, what have we got here, d. Question 4. Which of the following is not the same as 4xy to the power of 3 over 2? Not. Emphasize here is not. So essentially what I'd look for in all of these answers is trying to find which one vaguely relates to this or looks somewhat different to this. So 4 to the power of 3 over 2, which I can use my calculator. So 4 to the power of 3 over 2. Remember when you do powers fractions, you have to put them in brackets. That's equal to 8. So I would look for anything that doesn't result in an 8. So that would be 8. Yeah, that's fine. So that is going to be the same, more than likely. This is the square root of 4 all cubed. So the square root of 4 all cubed is going to be, that's going to have an 8 in it. So that's going to have an 8. So that's not going to be it either. 64, square root of 64 is 8. No. So now this one's interesting. So this says root 32. So the square root of, so 2 to the power of a half of 1/2 divided by the square root, so I'm just going to use the square root of 32 to the power of negative 1 is also equal to 8. So it can't be that one. Let's have a look here. What's 4 times 2 to the 1/2? 4 root 2. So therefore, this one will not result in 8. So therefore, it's the only one that can't be the same, which is E.